are watching 2+U Nevada. Joining us this afternoon, I'm so delighted to have Staci Emm joining us again, a professor with the University of Nevada Extension. And today, Staci, you're talking about something that I think is super important for our local agriculture economy, and that's that you have a grant writing workshop for farmers and food businesses. So explain to me why that is so important.
So this is part of a spinoff that the University of Nevada Reno Extension has a contract with Nevada Department of Agriculture in their Resilient Food Infrastructure Program. That is a grant program where federal dollars come into our state Department of Ag, and then they create a grant program for local food businesses, that middle of the supply chain. As part of this and going through one grant process before, and we in Extension had a food business center that went through this, we noticed that there is a need to provide education on how to write the grants, what's expected, the financial aspects of having to account for funds, because grants aren't just free money.
Right.
Most grant dollars are restricted. So in this training, and we have a training coming up August 26th at our Washoe County Extension office, we'll go through all of the details of understanding, what you're applying for, how you do that, to create your budgets and your financial systems before you ever apply. Because once you even get awarded, then there's the job of implementing that funding. And for this specific funding, through USDA Ag Marketing Service, they offer additional federal grant programs. So we'll focus on being able to apply for those types of programs and just assisting those food businesses for the equipment that they need. Maybe they need to train the personnel on that equipment, and those are all allowable costs. But it's not an allowable cost to, maybe take this person to lunch or do.
Right.
So just understanding all of those details and what goes into a grant writing process, and then what goes into, if you're awarded, the management of that financial.
There's so much, and there's so much that people don't know when it comes to grants, just like you were talking about specifics. So let's say that this grant was specific to equipment. Well, then you can't use the money that you were granted for a building.
No.
You have to use it for the tractor right? So something like that, it is very important that these farmers learn. And what are you seeing that their needs are? What are the types of grants that these people are applying for?
So our local producers, specifically our specialty crop producers, maybe need cold storage. Maybe they need that trailer that is refrigerated to get that product to market under food safety conditions. The other thing is light processing of products. So if you're making a syrup, how do you bottle that? Honey shrubs, for example, all of these unique products that our local producers have these creative ideas. Well, how do they get that to market, and what equipment do they need? In addition, setting up a website, that's allowable. So being able to set up their marketing platforms. I think the biggest thing to realize is that most of these funds are reimbursable. So how does that small business set up to be able to even implement a grant if they're awarded and then be reimbursed? They have to have that cash flow to be able to do that.
And are these grants, and is this grant writing workshop specific to producers in our community that are already established businesses, or could it be a person who has an idea and they want to be a small honey producer, or they want to do this? Are there grant opportunities in that realm?
Actually, it's for both of them, because they're gonna figure out what they need as far as the tax ID numbers and what registrations they need to have before they can even apply if they're an up-and-coming business. And for those businesses that already have those IDs and are established, it will help them find processes and increase their knowledge on how to plan a little better.
That is fantastic. Well, thank you so much, Staci. How do people sign up for this workshop?
So it is on our website under the Extension's Food Business Center. and we can provide a link. I'm hoping that you will provide a link.
We will put it
And
right up on your screen.
It is free of charge, and it's going to be at our Washoe County Extension office here in Reno at 4955 Energy Way.
Thank you so much for joining us this afternoon. You are watching 2 Plus U Nevada.